Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to deep dive into how to make money online and it's easy hustle. This is in 2025, but also it applies to follow in future years also. These are easy side hustle, which means you don't need to have any specialized degree. You just need to gain the knowledge, and if you apply properly, you will make lots of money. And this is proven strategy since COVID. Many people have moved to online and started making money, and I see everywhere people making money left and right from home, and it makes really good work-life balance. Uh, so let's deep dive into it. So first one is the freelancer writing specialize. So what does specialize mean? First of all, freelance writing, yeah, like there are many people can start doing writing, but writing is not everybody's skill, not everybody's niche. So yeah, as you become expertise into it, and once you become specialized, then you can make lots of money. One of the specialized industries, the Hollywood movies, and those writers makes lots of money because obviously they might write the scripts for entire movie. But not only that, like you see the series on Netflix or Amazon Prime and Disney Plus and Hulu and many other platforms, right? So all those, and even in your local country, there may be many uh, channels and producers there, so production houses there. So you can, if you are really good in writing, then you can charge 25 to $100 per hour, and that thing actually really good amount of money even in US. Depending on your country, in your local currency, it may be higher or lower, depends on the country, but this is based on US market. And then let's see what is a freelance writing. So freelance writing is content writing like SEO articles. So as we know that right now these channels like CNN and any news channel or many web news websites needs the articles, right? So the content creator, they pay really good amount of money. The content creator, there are nowadays most of websites are paid websites, paid content thing. So basically you write an article, like let's say if you are good at finance, right? So you can write a good article on finance and then they will pay you. There is also technical documentation specialization. So every company, major company has a software project going on or some kind of project going on or manufacturing project going on, and they need some technical guy or girl to write this documentation because it's only a few people can write it. Number one, you need the speed in writing or typing. The second thing is your brain has to work really quickly and able to understand the technical details of the product, and then you write the documentation. For example, you buy something, let's a new car, right? So new car has the manual, and that manual needs somebody needs to write that manual, right? Like engineer is not going to write it, so it says somebody like you who can write this create this kind of document with images and text, then you are the one who can get this job and you can write it. Next one is the marketing copy. So yeah, like every company has the marketing department and they need to sell their product, right? So like they once they have the meeting, they need somebody who can write all these details, who can take the notes during the meetings and then write the whole detailed email and instructions to entire marketing team. So you, if you are really good at taking notes quickly and then write creating nice document out of that, then there are many opportunities in the market. The white papers is another big industry because the research all the most companies that have R&D, and then once they do R&D, they want to publish into conferences and other websites and publications. So they need writer to write the white papers, and that if you know how to write the white papers, then you have really golden opportunity there. And then there is a yeah, proposals. So every company tries to acquire a smaller company or competition, and that time they need to write a proposal, right? That okay, I will buy your company, the A company will let's say if A company is bigger and they tries to buy the B company, then it has to write the proposal to B company's owner and shareholders and directors that, okay, I want to buy the company B with X amount of money and this terms and condition and by this time. So all those things is the proposal, and it's also like legal documentation. So if you are specializing in that, then you can really charge money, like not like lower, but just little bit less than lower, and it doesn't require lawyer degree or anything. So it requires the knowledge. So if you have this knowledge, then you can really make good amount of money. So without further ado, let's move to the next one. So next one is freelance web development and programming. So this one is very hot right now because as we can see, there are trillions of websites in the world, and all the major companies or even small business wants to have the best website they have, because if customers gets attracted with the website, then they will come to purchase the product. So with online presence and software solutions. So this is something like where you don't need to be in office. Like you can take the contract or the work to do the development, and then you develop at home. So you just need to learn WordPress, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and some specific programming languages. But once you know and once you create a couple of good websites, just demo websites, then you can show them to the potential employers and companies, and then you make money 50 to $150 per hour depending on your niche. So this is really good. The next one is the graphic design specialized. So yeah, graphic design, there are so many graphic designers out there, but obviously all are some most of them are 80, I mean 90% I would say is not really a graphic designer. They are just um, s- like a small creator, a small image creator, I would say, or yeah, video creator. But this, if you are really specialized in graphic image, then you can have lots of money, because see, every company needs the logo, right? Every company needs branding materials. Every company needs website designs. And like right now, you see in my screen, you can see the image, right? This image is created by a professional graphic designer. It's not created ordinary, because you can see my designer has put color combination, perfect color combination, which you like, our human mind likes. There is a like subscribe button, there is a money in the picture, there is a shopping cart in the picture, right? So e-commerce thing or laptop in the picture. So all, and the color itself, the choice of color itself is so nice that I like my graphic designer, and then I pay them, right? So same way, like you can, if you are a niche, then you can get lots of work from there. Next one is the digital marketing service. So right now, all the businesses are trying to go online, right? Like for example, let's say there is a even small restaurant in your town needs a website, and or even if not website, then they still need the marketing, right? Because how would I know that this restaurant has opened? Like I'm like, for example, I have a certain preference XYZ, and I only want certain like of food, but if I don't know that in my town this new restaurant is open and this has really nice food, how would I know, right? So to do marketing, they can't go every home and distribute flyers, so that's very expensive. So this digital marketing is getting very popular, and if you have expertise with it, you can make lots of money. So social media marketing like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, those are really big marketing platform. There is a content marketing. So you say you create a content and then you sell it to people, right? Like for example, there is a big market of real estate agent content marketing. So you create the content, you sell to real estate agent, and they'll use it in their marketing, personal marketing, and they to get the new clients, and you make lots of money in that. Email marketing, you are specialized into writing emails such that user won't delete it, that user will open and read it. So that's what one of the marketing thing is. Another one is paid advertising. So yeah, like if you are can get the advertisement uh, for for your clients, then you get lots of money and this is sometimes it's also commission based. I mean, little bit hourly rates fluctuates between 30 to $150. So, but it's really good niche to work on. The next one is virtual assistant. So if you very high level like VP, vice president, and above levels like senior vice president, CIO, CTO, those positions always need assistants. And many companies, small companies hire virtual assistant, which means you are a human. They need a human person who takes the call, who answers the call, and does administrative work from home, but they are still technical and they can create the support to businesses, and they can like set up meetings, talk to clients, schedule meetings with clients, manage the calendar, book the travel for these executives, those yeah, pay like create the travel report after the executive come backs and then submits the receipt. So there are lots of things these executives don't have time to do it, but these executives virtual assistant can, yeah, work from home and they or even in office, and then you can just support it and you can make 20 to $60 per hour, which is in US around 40,000 to $120,000. And yeah, so this was a part one of the video. I'm going to publish part two soon. So please stay tuned. And there are so many, by more than 100 different ways you can make money online from home. So stay tuned, like and subscribe this channel. So next video you can get it. And see you in next video, part two. Stay tuned. Thank you.